If Steam is showing error code 84, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can get you back into your account fast. This issue usually happens when Steam gets stuck in a login loop, your local sign-in data becomes corrupted, or your network connection is being flagged in a way that stops Steam from completing the handshake. The good news is that you can often fix it without reinstalling Steam or losing anything important. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, we're going to try the offline bypass. This is a simple trick that can force the Steam client to open when it is stuck, refusing to log in. Start by disconnecting your internet completely. You can turn off your Wi-Fi or unplug your Ethernet cable. Once you're offline, launch Steam again and give it a moment to open. The goal here is to get Steam past the login loop and into the main interface. After the Steam window opens, reconnect your internet. Then go up to Steam in the top left menu and choose Go Online. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear a temporary connection problem and let Steam sign in normally. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear what I like to call zombie login data. This is the local data Steam stores on your computer that can get corrupted and keep triggering the error even when your internet is fine. First, make sure Steam is completely closed. Don't just close the window. Open Task Manager and check that Steam is not running in the background. Once it's fully exited, open File Explorer and go to C drive. Then Program Files x86, then Steam, then the config folder. Inside that folder, delete config.vdf and loginusers.vdf. These files can store damaged login or configuration data, and removing them forces Steam to rebuild fresh versions. After that, press Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Find the Steam folder in that location and delete it as well. This clears additional local cached data that may be interfering with Steam's sign-in process. Now, let's move on to the network side of the fix. Sometimes Steam may be rate limiting your IP address or seeing your connection as suspicious, especially if you've changed networks recently or used a VPN before. A quick way to refresh how Steam sees your connection is to swap your VPN state. If your VPN is currently off, turn it on. If it's already on, turn it off. This can give you a new IP address that hasn't been flagged and may immediately resolve the error. Next, we'll reset your Windows network settings. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. Then run these 3 commands one at a time. First, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears your DNS cache. Then type netsh-winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows Network Socket catalog. Finally, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter to request a fresh IP address from your network. After those commands finish, restart your computer. The reboot is important because it applies the network changes fully and gives Steam a clean connection environment when it starts back up. Once your PC restarts, open Steam again and sign in normally. In many cases, these steps will remove the cause of error code 84 and let you get back into Steam without any further issues. If it still doesn't work after this, you may want to check whether your firewall, antivirus or router is blocking Steam, but for most users, these fixes are the fastest and most effective place to start. If this video helped you solve Steam error code 84, please tap the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.